Hey guys, what's up? This is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see that there is a new background today and this is all black. I absolutely love this particular background and obviously this is not going to be the same in each and every video. I'm going to try to change the backdrops as much as possible. So I really hope you like this new setup. So today's video is actually going to be really different. I have never seen anyone do this sort of a video on YouTube ever before, and I'm going to achieve a full face of makeup using just pencil products. So this was just an idea that came to my mind while I was thinking about some creative content, and I thought that this would be a really easy beginner's makeup look as well, because you just have to use these pencils. That is it. So from my base makeup to my eye makeup and obviously my face makeup and cheeks and blush and everything and lipsticks, everything is going to be just pencil products. So I really hope you enjoy this video. But before we begin with the actual tutorial, if you are new to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button right now. It will really mean a lot. And yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to start off with the base, and for concealer I'm actually going to use this Pack Take Cover Concealer, and this is a pencil concealer in the shade L12. I'm going to use this under my eyes and on my face as well. As you can see, this is really easy to use. And I'm just going to blend it with my finger, and then I'm just going to try blending it with a brush as well, because I think a brush works much better. So here I'm using the Pack 272 brush, which is a really good concealer brush, and it blends everything really seamlessly as well. And I'm repeating the same thing on the other eye now. And as you saw, it is actually covering up the dark circles really well. But if you ask someone who has dry skin, then you might not like this particular product because it is a pencil product. And I think that for everyday use, or if you want something really natural, then this might work. But if you want a bit more coverage, then you should skip out on this. And I'm using this on some of the blemishes as well that I have on my skin. Next, for brows, I'm actually going to use this Sugar Brow Definer, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm going to use this to fill in my brows as well. And obviously all the products will be mentioned in the description box below for you guys if anything is confusing. And I actually tried to shoot this video with sound, but there was some issue again. So I hope that this voiceover works out. And yeah, I'm just filling in the gaps. I am not like an expert in filling in my brows. I like to just keep them the way they are. So that is what I am doing right here. And this product is dual ended. It has a spoolie on one end as well, and I'm actually loving this brow pencil so far. And now we're going to move on to the eye makeup. The first eye pencil that I'm actually going to use is this Faces Ultime Pro eyeshadow crayon in the shade Dancing Queen, and I actually love these eyeshadow crayons. They're very creamy and they're pigmented as well, and they glide on really smoothly on your eyes, and they are very easy to use as well. So I'm just going to use this all over my eyelid. Next, I'm just going to take this Lakme Kajal and try to smoke out the lash line a bit. Next, for cheeks, I'm going to take this Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Cashmere 23, and this is what that one looks like. This is a really pretty peachy nude color, and I'm going to use this on my cheeks as a blush. Now to line my lips, I'm taking this Lakme 9 to 5 lip liner in the shade Brick Rose. It's a really pretty nude color, and everyone should have this in their collection because it's super smooth and pigmented. So this is how the makeup should look like. As you saw that this was super easy to do and you just need a few pencil products, that is it, and you can achieve this full face of makeup with it. And I really hope you enjoyed this sort of a video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All the handles are mentioned on the screen. And last but definitely not the least, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. It will really mean a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.